Alright, hey fans, Lapis Lee. Just got back from the doctor's office, which was closed, a little odd. They also did not send me a voicemail, text message, or PM letting me know that my appointment was today, but it was definitely, absolutely 4:45 p.m. on April 22nd, and I'm pretty sure today is April 22nd. But anyway, I'm not worried about that. I'll fix that out, sort that tomorrow. Just got back from Izakaya. Second time I've gone out for takeout since March 13th. First time, you may recall, was $9.99. So I'm just going to dive in and show you what I got. I already photographed everything, which I forgot to do last time. But it looks good. It smells good. And I'm going to try to taste, whatever I can and try not to make this 10 minutes long. So without further ado, Lapis Lee. And these fucking lights don't... What? These fucking lights don't work. Alright, so... Izakaya. I asked them for a paper menu. That's all they sent. Also, George, please update your online menu. Everybody knows filet mignon hibachi is not $9.99. You need to fix all that. Or get a kid to do it. Find a 15-year-old child to do it. Possibly one of your waiters. Over and out. Alright. The first thing I got, and let me sit down for this, because I definitely get out of breath. Quit telling me I can rotate my phone if I want. The first thing I got is, I'm pretty sure, this is really a two-person operation. Okay, this is the tuna and avocado, and I do have chopsticks. And let me just bust them apart. I believe I'm going to have to do this left-handed, although. And this is one of the absolute best appetizers on there. I'm not 100% certain what it costs, but the total was around $70, and I believe this is oh, and let me get a little of this over here. I assume this is all soy sauce. They gave me extra. All right. I think it's $6.75 is the current price. Well worth it if you like super fresh sushi. Oh my God, that is amazing. Perfect. Quit telling me I can't rotate my device. All right. Oh my God. I'm so hungry right now, and I totally just want to eat this whole thing, but I think we're going to have to move on to some of the other stuff, but this is amazing. Oh my God. That's like the best appetizer in Lynchburg, in my opinion. All right, this is also quite good. In my opinion, this could be the second best. Let me just put this there. You can tell these are child-proof. Okay, this is salmon and cucumber salad. Yeah, this is definitely second favorite. And it's got capers on it. All right, let's just get a little bit of everything in one fell swoop. All right, there we go. Excellent. I prefer the first one. All right. That's vegetables to go in the ramen. All right. That's shrimp tempura to go in the ramen. Ah! Okay, if you got to get a fried appetizer, this is the one. Shrimp shumai. These are amazing. They really taste more like scallops to me, but they are so good. Just a hint of saltiness. Oh my God. That is freaking amazing. All right. Oh, what happened? Oh, wait, hold on. Something switched. All right. These are called gyoza, and they're your basic steamed dumplings. These are also right up near the top of my list. Although they're not fried, they're not fresh. They're definitely the best steamed thing you can get there. All right, this item here. All right, let's just put that aside for a moment. Let's open this up. This is called tofu agadoshi. Let's just pour a couple of these out. Whoa! Come back, mama! I killed a man, put a gun against my head, pulled the trigger, now he's dead. All right. Mama! And this is just tofu in a delicious savory broth. And it's got some green onions in there too. All right, that's not my, I mean, it tastes amazing, but it's not my top favorite. You know what I really need right now? A napkin. But I'll just grab one of these alternate toilet paper. All right. Okay, all right. This right here is the ramen noodle, and I'm gonna just put some of that in there. Hold on, I gotta get the fork for this. All right. Oh, okay, I'm back. All right, and then we gotta add, let's see, some of this right here. Let's get a little of that in there. And then, not that, this right here. Add one of these. I have no idea how long this is. Probably been 2 hours, but time fun for me, motherfucker. All right, so traditionally, I think we should eat this egg over here first. And some zucchini, onions, broccoli. I always ask for extra vegetables on any beef ramen because they do not automatically come. Tons of shrimp. A little cold, but you know, I told him to put it on the side so it wouldn't, you know, get soggy. And I probably would have done that anyway. All right, maybe the beef ramen travels better than shrimp tempura. I think next time I'm gonna get the beef ramen. Okay. And then let's just put that over there. And now the coup d'etat. Oh yeah. All right, and I think I will bring back the soy and then one of these little bad boys, what I like to call the power pack. All right, I'm back. All right, so let me open up this soy. I hope that's soy. Who knows? It's all the same. All right, looks like we got some cucumber over here. That's a nice touch. I didn't even know that really even came with the large sashimi platter. Online it said this was 12, but I have a funny feeling it's probably 15. Hard to know, but well worth it. All right. Ooh, what is this crazy stuff? Scott Griffin, paging Scott Griffin. What is this? I'll just try some. What the hell? Looks like lobster, maybe lobster gizzards with fish eggs on top. It's hard to say really, but what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my God. Shit's the bomb. Some kind of fish. All right. Obviously, this is tuna. I think we could put just a small dab. Actually, that's way too big, but what the fuck? You only live once. Or maybe you live a bunch of times, but you should probably enjoy them all. That's my motto. Oh my God. That was fucking amazing. What's this white shit down here? I wonder if it's albacore or just regular tuna, or what's the deal on that? Scott, please feel free to annotate this when you get off work. And by work, I mean laying on the couch drinking beer. All right. I don't think it's albacore. I think it's regular tuna. Oh, it's yellowtail. That's what it is. All right, one more bite, and we'll wrap it up. I know all of you love octopus because that's all I ever hear is, Lee, you know, I like a McDonald's Big Mac okay, but the octopus, sashimi, uncooked, raw, with where the tentacles, they stick to the roof of your mouth, that's really what I want. And I get you, I feel you. So, let's just put some Mega Bomb wasabi on there. And then dip it in the magic sauce over here. Woo! Woo! Oh! All right, I'm not positive, do not quote me on this, but I believe that skillful application of wasabi will fucking eliminate COVID-19. Also, is octopus chewy? Yeah, a little. But is it also good? Hell yeah. So, you know, quit making fun of the friendly and intelligent octopus that I've just eaten. Alright. Looks like, oh, what's this? I didn't even see they put this in there. Holy shit. Oh my God. That George is such a character. Damn. Hell yeah! We're gonna have a party tonight, I know. Alright, this is Lapis Lee. This has been the unboxing of the Izakaya Takeout. I'll be eating this all night long, so feel free to not stop by. And I'm talking about you. You definitely come by, but I will be wearing a mask. But you, no. Alright, over now. Lapis Lee.